Namaskar, welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, enterprising endeavor of Parivartan Quality Circle of Blast Furnace brings about significant benefits for SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. And contract workers of Rourkela Steel Plant awarded under Instant Recognition Scheme. And now, the news in detail. An enterprising job carried out by the Parivartan Quality Circle of Blast Furnace Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has ensured substantial tangible and intangible benefits for the company. The team comprising Mr. P. K. Khatua, Master Technician, Mr. D. Mohanta, Master Technician, Mr. G. Mohanta, Master Technician, Mr. C. K. Sahu, Master Technician, and Mr. K. C. Panda, Master Technician, Design Department, under the guidance of Mr. A. K. Datta, GM, has successfully executed the project of modification in INBA slag granulation system in Blast Furnace 1. It may be noted that INBA slag granulation system is a major part of Blast Furnace 1 cast house production management system. In INBA, the equipment and belt conveyors are inspected for proper operation. If any problem occurs during the slag granulation, the hot slag is to be diverted to the slag pot for further processing. During this period, emergency systems should open immediately for saving the INBA granulation system. In case the emergency system malfunctions, the hot slag enters the INBA granulation system and damages the equipment. Frequent stoppage of INBA not only causes loss of granulated slag production, but also dumping of hot slag causes safety and housekeeping issues. The team modified the INBA slag granulation system of Blast Furnace 1 in a well-planned strategy. The successful implementation of the project with in-house resources and expertise has brought direct savings of more than Rs 73 lakhs. Uninterrupted production, smoother working, eco-friendly and less hazardous environment are the intangible benefits accrued by the company. Besides, it has also improved productivity, quality and safety in the department. In a special award program under Instant Recognition Scheme organized at Conference Hall of Steel Melting Shop 1 on 12th January, Mr. R. K. Patro, CGM SMS 1, presented the awards to two contract supervisors of Messrs. Ambika Enterprises. Present on the occasion were Mr. Celestine Tirki, GM in charge Mechanical, Mr. P. K. Das, GM Operation, Mr. A. V. Pradeep, GM Mechanical, Mr. Avinash, Manager Personnel CLC, and other senior officers and concerned contractors. It may be noted that the contract supervisors were awarded for their exemplary contribution in modification of the secondary venturi actuation arrangement of the gas cleaning plant of LD Converter P. This installation has helped in enhanced control of the secondary venturi flow passage at the throat section. The GCP can now be operated at a higher efficiency without tripping of the ID fan and interrupting the blowing process in the converter. A brief PowerPoint presentation was made on the innovative job by Mr. D. N. Behra, AGM Mechanical, with the help of Mr. Kedar Kumar Nayak, Master Technician, SMS Mechanical. Mr. A.V. Pradeep, GM Mechanical, SMS1, coordinated the award function. Notably, this was the 37th award function under Instant Recognition Award Scheme, and till date 1,665 contract labours have been awarded under the scheme. That's all for today's news bulletin. Namaskar.